Deirdre.
Hey, Sarah, that's right. Amazon has named its next cloud boss as current chief Andy Jassy gets ready to take over that top position from Jeff Bezos later this year. So it will be Adam Selipsky. He is currently the CEO of Tableau, and he will be the next CEO of AWS. This is a unit within Amazon that has a more than $50 billion run rate. It is the number one player in the cloud space. And in a note to employees, Jassy notes that Selipsky, while he's coming back, he's not a new face. He was hired back in 2005. After more than a decade, he left to run Tableau in 2016. And, of course, it was then acquired by Salesforce. And he stayed on with Salesforce, became part of its executive leadership team. So now he is going back to Amazon. Jassy says that happens on May 17th. He says that he and Selipsky will spend several weeks together transitioning before Jassy himself takes over that top job for Bezos, and Selipsky officially takes over that CEO cloud job. And Sarah and Wilf, this is, of course, one of the most important jobs in the cloud space, if not the most, because Amazon has just become a force to be reckoned with. It had an early head start in this business and just dominated the field. Microsoft and Google have been trying to catch up ever since. So it's a very big position and likely a loss for Salesforce. Marc Benioff has really sung Selipsky's praises over the last year and called that software acquisition of Tableau possibly one of the best software acquisitions of all time.
Yeah, no, we saw that in the stock as well of Salesforce. Deirdre, what's happening with AWS, the cloud business? It has had such a tremendous run, has been the profit engine of this company. What's happening to that growth rate as more competition comes from Microsoft and Google?
Yeah, so that growth rate is moderating. Last quarter, I believe, Q4 of 2020, growth of 28%, which has come down over the years, but many would attribute this to the law of large numbers. This business is just so much bigger than that we see at Google and Microsoft and others. So still the dominant player, and it's moved really from infrastructure, building the data centers and servers in the cloud to more services for companies. And that's sort of where the next sort of edge or the next phase of the cloud wars is happening. So it's an incredibly important time as that competition is heating up. But I think many would say that Selipsky is very well equipped, having been, I believe, one of the first VPs ever hired at AWS and just seen and regarded so highly within this industry. So it'll be interesting to see if Benioff has anything to say about this. I think he probably had big plans over at Salesforce, and it does sort of raise some questions about succession at Amazon. I know that Andy Jassy is just coming into the position later this year, but remember that Amazon has lost several of its key veteran executives over the last year or so, including Jeff Wilke and Jeff Blackburn. Those were seen as losses, perhaps because they didn't get that top position. Andy Jassy did. There's still people there like Dave Clark, but with Selipsky going back, could raise questions about his future there too.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.